so stupid. Hi guys, before I lose you, yes, there is a video this week, but I have to cover something first. I made a mistake. Okay, this channel used to be called The Dootin Brothers, where I posted a bunch of stupid videos from college. Then I rebranded it to Noki Doki. Many of you guys told me that that was a stupid idea, I should have started a new channel. Well, guess what? You were right, okay? You win, I lose. The problem with rebranding it to Noki Doki was I picked the hardest word possible to spell. It's completely unsearchable on Google, on anywhere. I mean, it's my own last name and I can't even spell it. So instead of rebranding and making the same mistake again and not listening to you guys, I'm gonna listen to you guys and I'm gonna start a new channel. I already have. It's called Cheesy Does It. I'm gonna link my new channel in the comments below and the description. Check it out. Resubscribe again, I'm sorry. And if you want to, you can share it too. That'd be great. But I promise this is the last time I'm gonna do this. And for all the Dootin Brothers fans out there, I'm gonna make those old videos all public again. So guys, that's it. As usual, new cooking videos every Thursday. I'll see you guys there. Thanks a lot.